Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We are students, so we like stories. And you? And which is the best story in the world? A story Quran mentioned as the best story. Let's start. Yusuf alayhi salam was a handsome young boy. His father Yaqub alayhi salam loved him very much. But the rest of his brothers didn't like it at all. They felt jealous, arrogance towards Yusuf alayhi salam. They pledged that Yusuf alayhi salam must be killed. But brothers didn't like it, and they felt arrogance and jealous towards Yusuf alayhi salam. They pledged that Yusuf alayhi salam must be killed, and they should get more love and care from their father. One day, they decided to execute their plans and approached their father and said, "Our dear father, please allow Yusuf alayhi salam to come with us to play on the hill. Let him play and enjoy." But father refused. He didn't allow, and he said, "Oh, my children, that is my Yusuf. I feared that a wolf might eat him while you are oblivious of him. وَأَنْتُمْ عَنْهُ غَافِلُونَ." They continued the request several times, and finally he allowed Yusuf alayhi salam to go with them to hell, and he advised, "Oh, my children, you need to look my Yusuf very much." And they started the journey. Meanwhile, they found an unused well, and they threw Yusuf alayhi salam to the well. In the evening, they returned to the home crying, and they said, Father, when we was playing in the hill, we keep Yusuf alayhi salam near our luggage. But Father, Yusuf had caught by a wolf." Yaqub became utterly tense and heartbroken. He said, "Oh my God, he's my Yusuf. How I can live here without him?" Meanwhile, a trade caravan halted midway to get some water and food. They put the rope with a bucket into the hill and pulled out it with water. And yes, it was in water on the bucket. Do you know? It was a handsome young boy sitting in it. They couldn't believe with their eyes, and they were shocked. And they brought him in front of the king of Egypt. He bought him for 20 dirhams or more. Yusuf grew in the palace and acquired a good quality and a sharp wisdom. After a couple of years, Yusuf became the minister of King Egypt. It was the period of drought everywhere in the Egypt. But Egypt was safe because every food and grains were stored for the period of drought. People from different countries, different places came to Egypt to get some water and grains. The brothers of Yusuf also came to the Egypt. Yusuf alayhi salam spotted them and gave grains, food, water, whatever they need in a large scale. But they couldn't identify Yusuf at their first sight. Eventually, they knew about their brother, and they feared a revenge. But do you know what he said? The Quran is mentioning very beautifully. تثريب عليكم اليوم يغفر الله لكم. Today I have no revenge upon you. May Allah forgive him, because Allah is the most forgiveness and the may. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
അടുത്തത് 215 215